Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking around this channel. And in today's video, I want to show you how you can dry your school chalk without using expensive dryers, as your intention to cut your costs of production. Most businesses today fail because of the money that we inject in expecting lots of return in the end. In this video, I want to show you how we make these racks, of course, for school chalk drying. Instead of buying a dryer for 2 million, 3 million, or 4 million Uganda shillings, you can opt for these dryers. As I told you, that school chalk production is a seasonal business, so production must be planned so that you can have the dry season and you get your school chalk drying very fast. So these racks is a matter of getting wood, and you also get these meshes that they use to make the ceiling. They will help you in making your school chalk dry at a faster rate if you display them like this, like the way you see. Of course, you'll get your school chalk dry even within 1 or 2 days, depending on the sun that will be available during your drying period. So acquire yourselves these racks. You can go to any carpenter to help you make them, or if you can't do them, then you can order from me as well. As I told you before, we still have school chalk machines, molds available with us. We make also all orders available, and we deliver your machines on prompt. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.